This is Rhonda. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And thank you so much to all of you who watch me loyally and the ones that comment, and you all mean so much, and it means so much to me that
Me too.
it means so much to him too. Thank you so much. And today I have my AIA, or American Influencer Beauty Bundle. If you don't know about this one, this is $34. It is bi-monthly. I think this is considered the August and September box. And these boxes, if you don't know, they take one influencer and everything in the box is from that one influencer. And this time they chose Perlis. Levi, settle down, baby. It says, I created Perlis to show the beauty and spirit of my heritage. As a former Power Rangers villainess, did we know that? I didn't know that. I spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on my complexion and confidence. In my journey to restore my skin, I rediscovered my grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed my complexion and now yours too. I'm so excited for you to experience the Perlis Stay Way. Jennifer Yin. I didn't know that she was a Power Ranger. There's the card. And so yeah, there's everything on the side here. And the first thing we got is, did I say this is a $34 bi-monthly bag? I think I did. Starting to feel a bit sick at my stomach. I'm thinking after I do this box, I may quit for the day. I've done several already, so here is this really cute little bag with the watermelon. It says Perlis, and it says, oh, I get a watermelon in the refrigerator. I should cut it up. It says, give your skin a burst of energy. Very cute little bag. And it says that retails for $10. Pack up your makeup essentials in our gorgeous and perfect for summer watermelon canvas cosmetic bag. And then we got the Perlis Purifying Cleansing Milk. This retails for $9.99. The sulfate-free pink charcoal and watermelon infused cleansing milk gently cleanses the skin of impurities, removes makeup, tones, and soothes skin. Oops. Oh, I'm gonna open it. This is safety sealed. Oh, it smells good. I don't know that it smells like watermelon, but it smells good. The few items of Perlis that I've used, I have liked, so there is that. It doesn't say what the whole box retails for, and I didn't think to add it up, but there was that. And then here is the pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mist with green tea, refreshing, soothing, and hydrating. And this retails for $9.88. It says the pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mist is a refreshing, hydrating, and soothing face mist packed with antioxidants. And then we got the Perlis watermelon energizing marshmallow peel-off mask. This retails for $24. An antioxidant packed peel-off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, tighten the appearance of skin. So let's see. that is what that looks like. I have used a mask before, but on this one, but I'm not sure. I think it might have been one of these. One similar to that anyway. And I think I will like this. This is the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter. I love lotions, and that is a really nice size. 6 ounces, but I mean, it's a nice size. It wouldn't last long if you put it all over your entire body, but I love stuff like that for my hands and arms. Let's see, this retails for $24. It says this body butter soothes, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while the coffee reinvigorates and awakens skin. $24. And then we got the coconut oil and coffee body scrub, and this retails for $24. Awaken skin with this coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, and hydrates to leave skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luminous. Let's see if it smells like coffee or if it smells like coconut or just what this smells like. It almost smells like licorice. That's what it smells like to me. That's weird. That's what it smells like to me. But again, a pretty nice size. And then there's this little tiny, let's see, this is a watermelon energizing aqua bomb. No way this can be, surely it says $24. Surely it's not this little one. A lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. Is it that one? Yeah, that's the one they've got on here. It says this retails for $24. That is, surely this is just a sample. It doesn't say one way or the other. Okay, well, surely this is not, when you figure, it smells nice. When you figure this one retails for $24. This one retails for $24. This one, watermelon peel off mask. Where is this? This one retails for $24. This cleansing milk says it retails for $9.99, and the watermelon face mist retails for $9.99. This must be something special if the little tiny one retails for $24 too. I don't know. Well, that's what it says. So that's what we got in this box. Again, this one is $34. It is bi-monthly, and we never know for sure. They might give some spoilers that I haven't seen because I don't really go looking for the spoilers on this one. I got this one which month was it? May, I think it was, because I wanted the, what is his name? I can't think of it now. I can't think of his name. The one that I wanted, the hair care items, and I love his hair care items. I can't believe I can't think of his name. And then I kept it the next time, and it was all Manicadar items. And now we've got this. I really love skincare. I am a firm believer that if you don't take good care of your skin, it doesn't matter how much makeup you put on. Sooner or later, it's going to, he's about to fall asleep. Sooner or later, it's going to be obvious that you don't take care of your skin, and nothing you do is going to help it. So we got to take care of our skin before we worry about the makeup. And I love skincare. As I'm getting older, I really love skincare. So that is that. There was some kind of thing on this. I don't remember what. If anyone's curious or if they want to know, just look into getting it, let me know, and I will be happy to see if I can find a code. But I'm pretty sure there's like a $5 off code for first time subscribers. I don't remember for sure how much it was, but there was some kind of deal that you could get off. So if you want to get the box, let me know and I will find that code for you. So thank you very much for watching, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.